Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll guide you through 3 straightforward ways to shut down your Windows 11 PC. So, let's get started. The first and most common method is to click on the Start button in the taskbar. Then, select the power icon. From there, choose Shut Down to power off your Windows PC. Now, let's explore the second way. Right-click on the Start button on the taskbar. From the drop-down list, select Shut Down or Sign Out. Then, choose Shut Down from the small menu to shut down your Windows 11 PC. And now, on to the third and simplest method. Press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. In the pop-up window that appears, select Shut Down under What do you want the computer to do. Then, click OK to confirm. And there you have it! You successfully shut down your Windows 11 PC with these simple steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.